Hey everyone, this is Ian from Benzinga. I'm here at the Hood Summit 25 with Abishek Fatehpuria, the VP of Product at Robinhood.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you so much for joining us. Super
Yeah.
excited to chat. Obviously,
Same.
everyone's really excited about all the product launches that came out yesterday. Which one are you personally most excited by?
That's like picking a favorite child, but I'm really excited about Robinhood Cortex as well as social. I think the funny thing though with these events sometimes it's like the most basic product announcements get the most cheers from the crowd. So it's like picking a favorite child.
Yeah.
Can't do it.
We've heard a lot of great things about social, and I think from my perspective, it's really great that you're able to focus on trust. And there's so much fake news around stock trading out there. Like with AI now, you can easily doctor images. Can you tell us a little bit about the concept around building trust into the platform and into the product?
I mean, we saw this like over the last 5 years, especially. I think retail has just become an increasingly powerful force in investing. Like they're influencing management of companies. They're becoming an important part of a company's investor base. I mean, for our own earnings calls, we have some of our retail analysts join the calls just like Wall Street analysts. So one thing that we wanted to do was basically give that community more of a home. When we look at Reddit, X, and all these other social platforms, you see a lot of doctored screenshots, see a lot of like fake bots, marketing bots. It's just not like the best place to have rich, vibrant investing discussion. So we thought we have a large customer base, over 24 million people, I think now. And if we could pair that with a vibrant community where every post is verified, every post is backed with real conviction, that could build like a very healthy community behind it. So
awesome. Yeah, I totally agree. I think the opportunity around social is really exciting.
Yeah.
Let's switch gears a little bit. I think honestly, you guys are one of the leaders when it comes to AI and retail trading. I haven't seen that many companies doing much more interesting stuff. Let's talk a little bit about how you guys started thinking about AI originally and how that's evolved into Cortex.
Yeah, so Robinhood Cortex is our AI investing assistant. And kind of how we've thought about it is how do we make it such that it fits seamlessly into an investor's workflow today? So the first example was from back in March when we announced Robinhood Cortex. We launched Stock Digest. So basically helping customer understand why did a stock move up or down using a bunch of data sources. And it fits right into the stock page. You don't have to prompt it. It feels really magical. Since then, we expanded it to crypto. So when we started thinking about how do we make this really built for the active trader, one thing we realized is active traders, especially the most sophisticated ones, have very complex workflows. They write code sometimes to chart. They will build very complicated scans and screeners. So what we thought was, how do we take what the most sophisticated, advanced active traders are doing and make it more accessible by making it like English driven? So that's how we got to where we are today.
Yeah, the natural language aspect of just being able to prompt it using English just really lowers the bar and democratizes it for the users, right?
Yeah. And we think it'll be a great way to learn too, because experimentation and trying new things is easy and cheap. So,
what other AI stuff are you guys thinking about? You mentioned some crypto stuff. The digest obviously makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, I can't speak too much to like details, but I think generally for us, it's like 3 arcs. So the first is for active traders, how do we take what the most sophisticated advanced traders are doing and democratize it more by building great tools and making it more accessible? So scanners, scripting, great examples of that. Second is for more passive investors, giving more financial advice around investing and financial planning. That's something we haven't done a ton of yet, but we're really excited about. And then third is our product portfolio is expanding. So how do we make the app increasingly personalized?
Yeah, I mean, you guys are covering a huge swath of areas. My wife and I actually signed up for the joint account recently.
That's awesome to hear.
Yeah, so I mean, in terms of other areas like the credit card, what other sort of ideas are you guys experimenting with? I know you can't get into too much, but at a high level.
Those are the big ones, like financial planning advice, building seamless workflows for the active trader. And then personalization, and then customer support has been a big focus as well. And really like making it understand the Robinhood product so it can solve customer support problems for you.
And on the banking side, I mean, I think Vlad spoke about it earlier. Feel like you're really getting closer and closer to that vision of being a all-encompassing banking platform. What any evolutions there that you see that that you just can be excited about over the next couple of months?
Well, I think we're going to start general rollout to external customers in the coming months. So we'll just like with any other product, we'll see the early feedback, we'll iterate, and the team's built an amazing product. I mean, a lot of us are using it internally, so excited to see what customers say.
Awesome. Thank you so much for taking the time.
Thank
Really
you.
appreciate it.
Thank you. Yeah.